Welcome out there in Facebook land and YouTube world. Today's publication and audio video transmission is brought to you by Simply Cool and my radio voice. That was my radio voice. For all the oldies, tune in to 96.2 Golden Oldies, voice of the world. Anyway, joke time's over. I'm going to post this little video out there for some of you folks. I had a request for some information. Anyway, what we've got is the coolers, the 28-degree coolers. Those are ready for advertising and marketing. Kind of redundant there, I know. But anyway, it takes a lot to do that. The product is finished. There's nothing else to add to it. All the LEDs are there. The remote control app for the phone that we developed. Everything for the 28-degree coolers is finished. Now that's your beverage holders. Next, we have the product I'm saying is next is the LRRP, Long Range Rescue Patrol Box. Picked that up when I was down in Florida last year doing hurricane rescue. If you've never done something like that, it's an eye opener. The devastation that can occur and that does occur in a natural disaster like a hurricane. Anyway, got down there, there was a need for a self-sustaining refrigerated containment device. You can get those little boxes, those refrigerators that come in the truck stop, and they're good. They're good. They do what they're supposed to do. Ours, however, has a couple extra bonuses. Ours, you can take it, you can throw it, you can use it to sit on, you can stand on it. Ours has multiple methods of powering it up. Whereas your standard little electric refrigerator thing, you plug it in the cigarette lighter and it works. And that's it. Now ours, you can plug it in a cigarette lighter and it works. That's not it. You've got 110 where you can plug into the wall and it drops it. It steps the voltage down to the appropriate amount. Like the little thing that powers your laptop computer. That's your power pack. You have 110 volts in the wall. It steps it down to 18 volts. Generally speaking, it may go less than that. Or inside a stand-up computer, there's a power pack in there that steps the voltage down. And usually, my understanding is it'll drop it down to 5 volts or 3 volts. Anyway, our box does that. It has 110 power where you can plug it into a wall socket or a generator. You can plug it into a cigarette lighter in your vehicle. You can run off battery and solar. That's the key, because in a natural disaster, the generator power is at a premium. Charging up, keeping some ice cream cold isn't a premium endeavor, but keeping intravenous packs cold, that's pretty important. Heat exhaustion, you need those down around 34, 36 degrees. I don't have it memorized. I have it on the chart. I mean, I make it a habit not to memorize things that I can write down. It frees up some brain power. Einstein said that, so I'm going to believe him. Anyway, but after that, the manufacturing process, everything, it holds 4 of the big long IV bags. And it has a thermostat on it. You can set it. Let's see what else. Oh, excuse me. We've got it'll hold some of these little things, these little IVs, vials. This is insulin vials. Our dog had insulin, and this had to be kept below 60 degrees, 80 degrees. If once it got warmer, it would turn to sugar water. And that's what a lot of folks don't understand is insulin has to be refrigerated for a couple of reasons. And one is the little antibodies in it or whatever they are will get hot and die. That's in a nutshell. That's layman's terms. And it will turn to sugar water. It won't be insulin anymore. It'll be sugar water, which is useless for a diabetic in that application. So anyway, that needs to be refrigerated. We can do it indefinitely with our containment device. Next, we have the covert cooler, which came about accidentally. A lot of this stuff did come about accidentally. It goes under the back seat of the G300 golf cart seat. It will hold a 24 pack of your favorite beverages, whether that's soda pop, beer, cans, bottles, or something of a comparable size. It'll hold at least 24 of them. And as long as it's got some power to it, it'll do it indefinitely. So you throw your beverages in there, you put them in the covert cooler. Nobody even knows you have a covert cooler because it looks like the factory installed cooler from a distance of more than 2 foot. Once you get up closer to it, you can start seeing some little differences. Now, with better manufacturing, we can smooth that over to where it will look exactly like the factory container in there. But anyway, it'll last indefinitely. Throw a bag of ice on top. Excuse me. Hey, I need more of my bang. Anyway, throw some ice in there, keep it from rattling around so nobody can hear you. And then you're on the golf cart, you're out on the course, doing what you want to do. Instead of buying $6 beer over there at the clubhouse, 17 miles that way, 19 holes backwards. Okay, you've got your own 19th hole right there on the golf cart with you. No ice chests, no, nothing like that. Because a lot of times they say, no ice chests, no bottles, no cans, no, nothing like that. So anyway, now here's the cool part. Remember the 28-degree coolers a couple projects back? Those will fit in the golf cart, in the cup holder. The new ones, they fit Yeti cups. So even though your Yeti is insulated, it fits inside the 28-degree coolers, the cup holders. That way you don't lose a cup holder if your Yeti cup doesn't fit anymore. Okay, I want to thank Jeff Olson for that at Garage Carts in Bentonville, Arkansas. For all your golf cart needs, contact Jeff Olson at garagecarts.com. Anyway, our next project, I can't say a whole lot about it because it is classified 100%. So if you run across somebody that seems to know a little bit more about that product, you need to contact your local Federal Bureau of Investigation or Sheriff's Office, State Police Department, because if they have a copy of it, of our material on that, they are committing a federal offense, and they will be vigorously prosecuted over it. It is trademark theft. It is theft of international Department of Defense secrets. They are classified secret and top secret. However, if you are in law enforcement or military Department of Defense, send us a letter on department letterhead, and we'll be glad to get you in contact with our Centerville, Virginia contact. That is a Simply Cool affiliate, associate, partner, and we will get you in the right loop on that if you have an interest in what we've got going for you guys. It's pretty slick, pretty slick. We've had U.S. Attorney's Office overlooking at it. We had sheriff's deputies. We've had local police, sheriff's office, more than one, more than two, more than three. We've had detectives saying, dude, that's a game changer. We want it. Can we have it now? No, they can't have it now. We do have several versions. Level 1 is a complete prototype. We've got the manufacturing facility arranged to complete the build out on this in a large, hey, I'll keep going. Excuse me, in a larger capacity than what I can do here. It's about a 30-minute, maybe a 45-minute swap from your existing components or your existing device to put our new components in there that are covered under the patent also, to make things better for you. Anyway, those will be coming out somewhat public pretty soon. We are finalizing level 2 and 3 right now on component selection. We are dealing with a company that will help us electronically sort that out. We've got local electronics guys that are being brought in as consultants on this. They all have to pass a certain small background check. You can't be a foreign national. You can't be from Serbia. You can't have parents in Serbia or, other communist pink old countries like that. Libya, Iraq, Iran, Syria. Did I mention Serbia? Places like that. So anyway, stand by for that. And those of you that know what I'm talking about when I say Serbia will know what I'm talking about. Those that don't worry about it. None of your business. So anyway, I just want to get a couple things out there. Hadn't been on Facebook, YouTube for a while with a video. We've got, like I said, the new products coming out. They're patented under my name, Steve Place. I am the owner of the patent. I am the designer. I did everything involving that patent, from sourcing to the drawings to everything. So if you run across someone that's got some information on that, you can probably pick up $50,000 from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, because it does fall under loosely under the Espionage Act. It's 20 years in a penitentiary, $500,000 fine for the person committing that act, or persons or group. If it benefits a foreign country, the fine goes up into $1 million or more, depending on the Serbian country that you might help benefit on this. It could be Serbia, it could be Germany. Just hypothetically, Serbia, countries like that, or it could be one of the Russian offshoot countries. But anyway, don't get me off on that tangent. I got a little history with some Russians anyway, comrade. Anyway, that's it for the Simply Cool News today. I know it's a little wacko. Some of it's joking. Some of it's, hypothetical. Some of it's real. I'll let you figure out which is which, what's what, who's who. And I think that's it. It's going to be a fun summer. It's time to get cool. Remember, Simply Cool. That's pretty cool. Look for us on the World Wide Web, www.simplycoolcoolers.net, or on Facebook at Simply Cool Coolers. That's pretty cool. And where else are we? We've got a couple of businesses out there. Drop us a line at splace@simplycoolcoolers.net, NET, and I'll answer some questions you might have. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.